So students will start the chapter tissues, plants and animal tissues. So here the similar cells lying side by side working together as a team to perform the same function. Such groups are called tissues. जो सिमिलर सेल्स होते हैं और जो फंक्शन सेम परफॉर्म करते हैं उसे क्या कहते हैं? टिश्यूज़. So the tissues are the team of workers. A tissue is a group of similar cells performing a specific functions. Most plants and animals possess a tissue system. The human body, for example, has an epithelial tissue covering the skin. The muscular tissue made up of muscle cells which by contraction bring about the movement. जो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट करती है, ये ह्यूमन बॉडी में बताया कि एनिमल टिश्यू के बारे की एपिथेलियल टिश्यूज़ जो होती है वो उसमें मस्कुलर टिश्यू होती है और वो टिश्यू परफॉर्म करती है मसल्स. क्या? कॉन्ट्रैक्शन मतलब सिकुड़ना. एंड ब्रिंग अबाउट द मूवमेंट, तब मूवमेंट होती है. बट इन प्लांट्स द conducting tissue conducts water upward from the soil to aerial parts and food prepared from the leaves to the lower parts. वही xylem और phloem के बारे बताया है. xylem वाटर एब्जॉर्ब करती है फ्रॉम सॉइल टू एरियल पार्ट्स. xylem हो गया. एंड फूड प्रिपेयर्ड फ्रॉम द लीव्स, जो लीव्स प्रिपेयर करती है फूड टू द एंड टू अदर पार्ट्स ऑफ द बॉडी. मीन्स ये फ्लोएम कर रही है. अब क्या बताया? रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन टिश्यूज़, organ system and organisms. Several tissues together contribute to some specific function inside a body. Such constitute an organ, such as tongue having epithelial cells, nerve cell, muscle cell, etc. Many organs acting together to perform a specific life process constitute an organ system, such as digestive system. Organ systems together constitute the organism. Example, root system and shoot system in plants and organisms. Plant tissue. Plant tissue are basically of two types: meristematic tissue and permanent tissue. Meristematic cells can multiply to produce new cells. Meristos means divided, and permanent tissue are non-dividing. They are dividing, they can multiply, and they are non-dividing in specialized cell. And meristematic tissue, or we can say meristem, it is found on the growing point of the plant such as tip, root, stem and branches. Growing tip में found करती है. Also present between the bark and wood of trees where it leads to growth in the diameter of the stem. और bark of the trees में भी grow करती है. जैसे यहाँ पे देखेंगे longitudinal section of stem taped together with differentiating leaves and axillary buds. Meristematic tissue भी undergoing cell division. Cell division हो रही है इनकी in the root of the onion. What are the chief characteristics of meristematic tissue? Cells are small. Here we can say the cells are small. Cells are usually cubical in shape. Cell wall is thin and nuclei are large. Here we can see nuclei are large. Vacuoles almost absent होती है. Cells tightly packed with almost no intercellular spaces. हमने देखा कोई भी intercellular spaces नहीं है. The cells actively divide, adding new cells to the plant. New cells are produced are transformed into mature permanent tissues. The meristematic tissue can further be divided into two categories: apical meristem and lateral. Apical meristem or terminal means terminal, ऊपर में रहती है. This is located near the tip of the root stems and also in the growing young leaves near the tip of the stem as well as the tip of axillary buds. Lateral or cambium meristem, this is the sac situated below the bark and is responsible for the increase of the girth, means diameter of the stem. Permanent tissue are made up of cells which have lost their ability. They cannot divide. They take permanent shape to perform some permanent function. They may be living because nucleus are present or dead if nucleus is absent. They are of three types: protective, conducting, and supporting. Protective cells are thick-walled, found on the surface of root, stem and leaves. Example क्या होता है? Epidermis of leaves, which secretes a waxy waterproof material. Cork cells in the barks contain another strong waterproof material. Supporting tissue are of three types: parenchyma, collenchyma, sclerenchyma. This will do in the next video. So thank you very much for listening.